In this exercise, the first thing you'll do is describe when Google Cloud VPN should be used. You'll then talk about when Google Cloud CDN or content delivery networks should be used. You'll then deploy a web application through the Google Cloud App Engine. You'll deploy a Google Cloud DNS managed zone, and finally, you will add an A record to your Google Cloud DNS managed zone. At this point, pause the video and try these exercise steps out, and then come back to view the solutions. A VPN, or a virtual private network, is an encrypted network tunnel that's established between two endpoints over the internet. The overall purpose is that we have a secure channel through which we can funnel communications over an untrusted network, which in this case is the internet. Now, in the case of Google Cloud VPN, it uses IPsec as the tunnel establishment protocol. And the purpose is really to link an on-premises network to a virtual private cloud, or VPC, that we've defined in Google Cloud. Now, at the same time, we have to think about Google Cloud routing that might need to be configured. So if we've got a number of VPC subnets in the Google Cloud environment other than the one where the VPN is defined, we're going to need to add routes so that they know how to get traffic and can communicate with the on-premises network. A content delivery network, or CDN, is really a set of globally distributed servers that are used to distribute content that's been copied or replicated to them. So the server from which a user gets the content is based on the geographical location, usually the geographical location that the user has their internet connection in. The idea is that because data is copied to each of the servers in the content delivery network, when users make a request, it will be serviced, if it's been replicated or copied, to the CDN endpoint that's nearest them geographically. So it speeds up their experience with the application. Essentially, it feels like it reduces network latency. To deploy a Google Cloud web application, the first thing we can do from the Google Cloud console is just go over on the left-hand navigator under the Compute section to App Engine. So I'm going to go ahead and click App Engine. The wizard starts because there's not already a web app deployed here, so I have to click the arrow here to select a language. In this case, I'll just choose PHP. The next order of business is to determine in which geographical region we want our web application served from. So naturally, if we're going to do this on the east coast of the United States, we'd probably want to choose one of the regions in that location, either from the map selector, or I could scroll down and also choose it from the drop-down list, which I'm going to do here. I'll choose US East 1. Now, bear in mind, if this is going to be a globally used application, then you also have the option of configuring a content